Hi everybody, my name is Manny and welcome to Lathe and Laser. Just a short video to show you what you can do with $5. This one is $5 and you can sell it for $25 if you laser engrave names, custom pictures, anything you want, like I did on this one right here. Put my wife's name on it, and I'm gonna do it again. So really fast, not too much talking on this video as I usually do in my other ones, but I'm gonna continue to make some Christmas gifts. This is a really good Christmas gift. This one was $6. Again, this one's $5, and you can sell these in any marketplace, and it's really easy to do. So I'll get to work and I'll just show you what I'm doing. Then this is the final product. This one came out really nice. Of course, I like the black one better, but this one really stands out because of the hot pink. And this one, I made this one last week or maybe like 10 days ago. It came out pretty nice too. So this is just an example of what you can do with $5 to $6. You can sell these, customize them, and I'll probably charge $25 because they're customizable, of course. So this is just an example of what you could do with laser engraving. In the future, I will continue to make videos like these. But if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to the channel to support the channel. I'll try to continue to make videos at least once a week. And tell me what you think in the comments. And thank you for watching.